Chefman Air Fryer 9QT is designed for cooking smaller batches with countertop convection instead of heating a full oven. Check whether its configuration fits that job. This video contains affiliate links, and I may earn a commission from qualifying purchases. The supplied listing states, this all-in-one digital air fryer features a built-in touchscreen UI with 7 cooking functions. Air fry, broil, dehydrate. This matters most when evaluating the listed cooking modes and temperature range. It also states, achieve perfectly crisp frozen foods like mozzarella sticks, chicken tenders, and tater tots. Use that detail to judge basket capacity for the meals prepared most often, rather than treating the feature list as proof of performance. For everyday ownership, allow ventilation space and check whether the basket and crisper parts are dishwasher safe. Before ordering, confirm dimensions included parts, power, and compatibility. The main limitation is that a single basket cannot finish foods with different times independently and still occupies counter space. Households regularly cooking multiple foods at once may prefer a dual basket or oven-style model. Overall, Chefman Air Fryer 9QT best fits shoppers focused on cooking smaller batches with countertop convection instead of heating a full oven whose setup matches the supported facts.